One of the secrets of life is, that all that is really worth the doing, is what we do for others. I can't go back to yesterday, because I was a different person then. I'm not strange, weird, off, nor crazy, my reality is just different from yours. Why is it that people with the most narrow of minds seem to have the widest of mouths? If you do not know where you want to go, it doesn't matter which path you take. If you limit your actions in life to things that nobody can possibly find fault with, you will not do much. One of the hardest things in the world is to convey a meaning accurately from one mind to another. Sometimes I've believed as many as 6 impossible things, before breakfast. To me it seems that to give happiness is a far nobler goal than to attain it. In some ways, you know, people that don't exist are much nicer than people that do. Always speak the truth, think before you speak, and write it down afterwards. I give myself very good advice, but I very seldom follow it. Begin at the beginning, and go until you come to the end, then stop. People who don't think shouldn't talk. My view of life is that it's next to impossible to convince anybody of anything.